Changes and new challenges have been coming to the cruise lines here all for the last week with health and safety protocol changes. Well, we have another change for you today, this time from Royal Caribbean, and it involves COVID-19 testing. Let's get into it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, so Royal Caribbean, they are going to stop offering COVID-19 tests for international travelers returning home. So effective January the 5th, 2022, onboard testing will no longer be offered, and instead the passengers are going to be referred to off-ship sites. Now, if you are sailing before January the 5th of 2022, you can still get the test on board. So this only goes into effect and will affect sailings after January the 5th. Royal Caribbean will provide guests with testing locations at or near the cruise terminal. And of course, cost will vary by location, which is a nice way of saying you will now be responsible for paying for your own test. Royal Caribbean is not going to cover the cost. So they're going to provide 3 options at the terminal for your convenience. You could take a rapid PCR or antigen COVID-19 test right at the terminal upon debarking the ship and depart. Results will be emailed to you shortly after. At the airport, guests traveling directly to the airport can schedule their rapid PCR or antigen COVID-19 test to be taken on site with a test provider at the airport or local testing sites. If you're staying in the area, there are various locations close to the terminal, the airport, and hotels in the area where you can complete PCR or antigen COVID-19 testing. And Royal Caribbean says that these options will be communicated to the passengers in greater detail once they are on board the ship. All right, so there you go. Royal Caribbean's not going to do onboard COVID-19 testing for international passengers returning home after January the 5th. Instead, you're going to be responsible to get your own test. Now, Royal Caribbean, they'll provide you a place you can get it, possibly right there at the cruise terminal, the airport, or a testing site somewhere in the area of the cruise terminal. It will be at your cost. Royal Caribbean will not be paying for it. And this could end up being a challenge for international travelers, considering a lot of countries require them to have a COVID-19 test prior to returning home, including our friends right up here in Canada. So this is just another challenge to taking a cruise right now. So you're going to have to decide, is it still worth taking a cruise? Is it not? Is the extra challenge worth it if you're coming in internationally to take a cruise here out of the United States? And honestly, I don't know if this is going to make international travelers all that happy. With all of the health and safety protocols already involved in international travel, the changes that are coming because of the Omicron variant, things seem to be changing here weekly. I don't know if another new challenge will be worth it to them, but we're going to have to wait and see. Let me know in the comments below if you are an international traveler. Is this going to be an issue for you or not? All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.